DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some funky vintage circus artwork inspired by the artist Sabrina Pratt. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some vintage circus art. E-6000 Spray Adhesive is perfect for a project like this, and you can use it indoors and it's non-toxic. Also, make sure to check out Sabrina Pratt. I think you'll really like her work. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of Pulp Fiction Perfect Paper Projects, and I will see you next week. Bye.